Hi guys, welcome to Progressive Cakes and Nourishment. In today's video I'll be showing you how I prepared this butter icing and how I decorated this beautiful cake you're seeing here. If you're new to my channel, this is your first time of watching my video, click on the subscribe button and also click on the notification bell. Click on all notifications to be getting alert of my new video. Subscription is free just for you to be getting alert of my new video. To my old subscriber, you are all welcome. Let's start. For today's butter icing, I'm using 1 kg of icing sugar, 500 grams of margarine and a cup of vanilla flavor. You can use half tablespoon of vanilla flavor. Sometimes I use 400 grams, but today I'm using 500 grams. I want the butter icing to be big enough for me to use. So if you have up to 400 grams, feel free to use it. It will still come out fine, but the only thing, you have to add a little water after mixing to make it a little bit softer. But today I'm not adding any water, just my one cup of vanilla flavor. I'm okay. Just cream your butter icing a little and you start adding your icing sugar. Cream it till it's looking light. If you notice, my butter icing, I love creaming with my hands, but today I'm using my standing mixer to cream this a little today. So feel free to always cream with your wooden stick and your bowl. It will still be beautiful and nice, but today I decided to cream it with my standing mixer just to be fast. Take your time to sieve out your icing sugar, break out all the lumps and set it aside. Take your time, cream your butter icing very well to be looking very light. You can see mine is looking very soft. Make sure it's looking very soft before you start adding your icing sugar. I'm okay with the texture right now, so I'll just add in my flavor, vanilla flavor, and start adding in my icing sugar. I'm mixing in the icing sugar with my wooden spoon. I don't want much air bubbles in my American Buttercream, my butter icing, so I decided to use my wooden spoon. Sometimes if you use your mixer or hand mixer to cream this, you will incorporate much air bubbles into the icing sugar, into the buttercream. So I decided to use my wooden spoon to do it. You can also use your wooden spoon to start from the beginning to the end. It's still okay, so feel free to try. Anyone that works for you is okay, but me, I love mixing in my icing sugar with a wooden spoon. It makes my butter icing look so beautiful after mixing. Right now my butter icing is ready. You can see how beautiful. You can see there is no air bubbles. You can see so beautiful. So I'll be adding my purple color for this butter icing. I'll be using purple color, so I'll be mixing in my purple color. Just take your time to incorporate the color before you start decorating. I'm using 10 inches board for this cake. I have 8 inches cake here. This is my 8 inches cake. I use 8 inches cake pan for this cake. So I have 2 different layers. Okay, I'll be using 10 inches board to decorate the cake. Just take your time to trim your cake very well. In butter icing, I don't really struggle trimming my cake, because I know if there is any hole or any problem, I can easily fix it with my butter icing. But when you're decorating with fondant, my dear, you have to cool down and trim very well, because the way it appears when you crumb coat is still the way it will still appear when you cover your fondant. But in butter icing, it's easy to repair any pothole or any little problem. But in a fondant is not that way. If today is your first time of watching my video, you can join this lovely family by clicking on the subscribe button and also click on the notification bell. Click on all notifications to be getting alert of my new video. Subscription is free, just for you to be getting alert of my new video. If I post any new video, you will get an alert. So feel free to like my video. Feel free to comment. Please, very important you give me thumbs up, like my video, so that other people will be able to see this video. It's very important. If you have not liked my video at this moment, it's time to click that like button. Click on the thumbs up you're seeing right now. Feel free to click on the share button, share to your friends and family, copy the link, and feel free to share this particular video, and feel free to spread the news. Invite a friend to Progressive Cakes and Nourishment. We'll have a lot for you here, so you don't need to mix out anything. So make sure you have subscribed, make sure you have opened your notification bell, make sure you're one of us. Right now I'm doing my first coating. It's very important as a beginner, make sure you do your first coating before the second coating, so that you will be able to hold back all the cake crumbs with this first coating. It's very important. Make sure if you have a freezer, after doing the first coating, you can put in your freezer or fridge for 5 minutes, but it's not mandatory. You can also go ahead and allow it to dry up for 5 minutes under the air or under the fan, to be able to make it to be firm a bit before you start the second coating. But there is no problem if you don't have a freezer or fridge. Go ahead and continue coating, doing your second coating. Just be generous with your butter icing in the second coating. It will all turn out fine. For the design I'm trying to achieve today, you need enough butter icing. Pack it, be generous with the butter icing when you're doing your second coating. It's very important because if you're trying to manage your butter icing, you might not get the good design at the finishing. This particular design I'm trying to achieve today, you need enough butter icing, especially when you're doing your second coating. Be generous, add enough butter icing, play around with it. Feel free to add enough so that you will not be struggling trying to achieve your design. After adding round your butter icing the second time, use your scraper to go around. Scrape very well and you start patching. Check for every hole, check for every opening, start patching, and you go again and scrape. Just take your time. Butter icing, you don't need to be in a hex if you want a neat finishing. Just take your time to patch up air bubbles, patch up any little hole, patch it up, and you scrape. Continue scraping. Now it's time to introduce your hot water. This is the secret to my smooth butter icing. So use your hot water, touch your scrapers very well, and you clean with a neat rag. Clean off the water. Make sure you clean it off your scraper before you scrape. For the chocolate drippings, you need to pieces your chocolate. Make sure both the knife and plate there is no atom of water in it. Any atom of water in your chocolate will make your chocolate to stick. It will make it not to melt pieces. It will make it to get stuck. So make sure there is no water. Place it on a boiling water and you stir till everything is melted. If you're new to my channel, this is your first time of watching my video, what are you waiting for? You can join this lovely family by clicking on the subscribe button and also click on the notification bell. Click on all notifications to be getting a lot of our new video. Like I said before, subscription is free just for you to get a lot of our new video. Make sure to like this video. It's very important you click on the like button, click on the thumb up so that other people will be able to see this video and watch it. Don't forget to invite a friend to this channel. Progressive Cakes and Nourishment loves you so pretty much. You can see the outcome of our cake is looking so beautiful. Thanks so much for watching this video. Bye bye.